Hello. In this Java 21 video, I will be covering typecasting and conversion. Java is a strongly typed language. This means every value has a specific data type, and converting between types must be handled carefully. There are two types of type conversion in Java: widening conversion and narrowing conversion. Let us start with widening conversion. This is automatic and safe. It happens when converting a smaller type to a larger type. So our example is, first we're going to declare an int value of 50, and then we're going to declare a um, double called double value, which is going to be equal to our int value. This is automatic widening conversion. This is an example of an integer being automatically converted to a double. There is no data loss because a double can represent all int values. Let us print out our converted value and our original value to illustrate the concept. Let us compile and run. As we can see, the original value is an integer and the converted value is a double. Now let us look at narrowing conversion. Let us comment out this code and declare a double called double value. Let's make that equal to 9.75. Next, we're going to declare an int called int value, and we're going to explicitly cast it, the double value, to an int. Again, let us print out both of these values. Now, the double value is the original, and the int value is the converted value. So let us compile and run. As we can see here, the original value is 9.75, but when we cast it to an int, it's only going to save the full number part, or the integer part, which is 9. So again, here we cast a double to an int. The decimal part is lost and only the whole number remains. Casting can also be used with characters and integers. So for our next example, let's declare a char called letter. Let's make that equal to A, capital A. And let's use automatic widening to make to cast it to an integer. So here we're going to print out the character code. So let us compile and run it. As we can see, capital A is 65. Characters in Java are stored as numeric values using the Unicode standard. Another example of this, let's declare an int called num. Let's make equal to 66. And let's use explicit narrowing to convert it to a char. Now let's print out the converted character. So 66, let's save, let's compile, and let us run the code. Our character code is 65, and 66 is B. You can also use casting in expressions. So let's do an example of that. So let us declare two int values, A and B, to be equal to 5 and 2, respectively. And let us define a double called result. and we're going to cast A to be a double, and we're going to leave B. And then let us print out the result. So let us compile the program and run it. So as we can see here, this works because we're casting A to be a double, and then B is just an integer. If one of the values is a double, then this does double division. If we do not cast here, Java performs integer division as we saw in the previous video and gives us only the whole number. By casting one of the operands to double, we get the accurate decimal result. Be careful when casting between types that may not fully represent the data. For example, converting a large long value into an int can lead to overflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and leave a comment. Please reach out if you have any questions. Otherwise, thank you for watching and have a great day.